Hello friends, today I want to show you what I do with mosquitoes. I'm sure everybody has a problem with mosquitoes in their backyard. What I do is I buy these oils. Make sure that they are 100% undiluted oils. I bought lavender, lemon eucalyptus, pink grapefruit, and peppermint. You could buy other oils like mint, basil, pine, eucalyptus, citronella. But I like this, and I put them on little mason jars, small ones. I put them around the table and around the backyard where I'm usually sitting, and they repel mosquitoes. And I put these reed diffuser sticks. They are this. They come 120 pieces, and they look like this. So on the short, small bottles, I cut the reeds in half and put them in there. The lavender has a really nice smell. I put them in the bathroom and around inside the house, just for the smell. I put 5 sticks in here, and they give a very mild, pleasant smell. But if you want stronger smell, you could put more sticks in there. And the mason jars, this I bought from the supermarket Lidl, but they were the last ones. They don't have it anymore. But I found these from IKEA. They are a little bigger than this, but then they were on sale for $2.50 for 3 jars, really cheap. And for the mason bottle, also from IKEA, I bought them. They're around $6 for 3 bottles, $5 or $6 for 3 bottles. So they were really cheap, and this really help with the mosquitoes around. And also, I make a spray. I mix water up to the top. Just get a bottle from any, like Home Depot or something, and just fill the bottle with water. Put like 1 or 2 tablespoons of the oil in there, and put a few drops of the Dawn liquid, because the oil doesn't mix with water. So you put this in, you shake it every time you use it. You shake it, and you spray it on your arms and legs, but don't spray on your face because it might get in your eyes. But also check when you spray on yourself, check that to see if you have any allergic reactions. And you don't need a lot of oil in there, because it's only the smell that will make the mosquitoes go away. Okay, another thing that I want to show you today is about some of the supplies that I use in the garden. I use these clips to hold the plants. I bought this from Home Depot. Last year I bought a lot of this from eBay and Amazon. But the problem is with this, see, this just has a U shape, and these have a notch here. So these ones don't hold on the stick. They're supposed to hold on the stick here, but they don't hold. These do. And another thing that you have to be careful is that sometimes when you see the picture, you think that it's one of these, but then they send you these tiny ones. These tiny ones you cannot use anywhere. Another good clip is this one. This is good if you have one of these garden wires that I use a lot. And if you tie them on top, tie it one end to the bottom of the plant, and this has like two notches there that will grab onto the string. So if you go like this, you put the plant on the middle there and clip, and it'll stay. It doesn't go up and down. You will keep the plant up. Okay, that's one of the tips that I wanted to show you today, and I'll show you the garden a little bit also. Thank you. Okay, it's been about 2 weeks since I showed you my garden. Let me show you how it's doing right now. See, the jalapenos are coming out. So the yellow bells coming out also. Orange bell there. So crunchy peppers. Got my cucumbers. We already ate about 15 of this already. So my eggplants, they're coming out also. Let me show you about the clips. See these clips? This is how I use them, that clear ones. And this that doesn't have a notch in there. This one's, look, you just slide down. This is the notch. They stay. See? Okay. My perilla leaves. You already had perilla kimchi. My Italian parsley, my crunchy peppers, they're already coming out, a lot of them. My basil here, also here. My rosemary, tomatoes already coming out. See all those fruits already. A lot of these so many. My lettuce, scallions, more eggplants, cucumbers, okay. I upload again about 2 weeks, and I'll show you how big they're growing. Right now it's all over the top. You could buy these nettings if you need them at the Home Depot, or Home Depot sells not the nettings that are not too large. You could buy them on eBay, the large ones. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.